Yeah, this is the setup of the ladies' crease and 8-meter arc. You'll see here now I'm unfolding the crease, pop it out the bag and just let it unfold. And you'll notice that there are weight pockets with the logos on. These go face upwards. And you'd use these if you're on turf. As we're on grass here, you could use the grommets with the little stakes to hold it in place. So roughly get it in the shape of the circle. And you'll notice there are two Velcro tabs on the crease. This is roughly at the goal line where the goal is going to be. You'll see these will become apparent in a minute how you use them. So now here you'll see I'm bending down and I'm going to pick up the goal line. The white goal line, I'm going to unravel it. And as it crosses the crease, you'll see there's a Velcro that anchors onto the crease at a certain position. So we tie them two Velcros together. If we're on grass, we can put a staple through. If we're on turf, we could just Velcro them two together. Okay, and then the goal line is anchored on weights. If you're indoors or on turf, there's big weight plates here, the black weight plates, and they have a Velcro tab on them, and we can anchor the goal line to them. And as I'm pulling this out now, you'll see I'm pulling the 8-meter arc out here out of the bag. Just keep pulling it out. Obviously better with two people this. More the merrier for this one. And then you know roughly when you get used to where the 8-meter arc sits, and you'll see now that I'm going to put a stake right roughly in the center. There's a weight pocket in the center here with a logo on it, and I'm going to stake it down to the ground. You'll see now both of us are walking away from the center and we're untwisting as we go. We're roughly lying it down in the arc, and then as we get to the weight plate, I'm going to you'll either stake it to the grass or Velcro it to the weight plate. There, we're staking it to the grass right there. Okay, and then if you're on grass now, you can stake it at the various positions with the grommets, or you can use the weights in the pockets. And then now I'm going to put the diagonals down. These are going to Velcro at the intersection of the crease and the goal line, so we can stake them, or we can just use the Velcro. We'll run them out, and then where they intersect the arc, we're going to Velcro them or stake them down. There's also some little weight pockets in these diagonals that we can slide weights into if you want to hold them in place a little better if it's windy or you're on turf. Okay, and you'll notice that the weight pockets around the arc, they're located at the ash marks, the 4-meter ash marks around the arc. Or you can put weights in them, or you can use the staples and stake it down. And then if you have a goal, you can just put it in place, and you'll see two marks on the goal line where the goal sits, and then you're good to go.